Okay, we have a Hurco CNC Vertical Machining Center model VM20, serial number VM20-16010100BHB. This machine was new in 2010 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Hurco WINMAX control, 3-axis. It's got a side-mounted tool changer, 40 taper tool, and how many? Let me see here, how many? $20, 4, 22, 22, 20. All right, we're running right now. It's got a 46 by 18 T-slotted table with telescopic weight covers. You have 40 inches of X travel, 20 of Y, and you have 20 of Z. Machine has a 10,000 RPM spindle. Again, that's Cat 40, 10,000 RPM with a 20 tool, automatic tool changer side mount. This machine is original paint. We are running right now, 3,500 RPM. It's nice and quiet. 6,500 RPM. We are simulating a tool change. Doing it again. This is a good one. Okay. Machine also has a coolant system. Hey, thank you for watching our video.